recently. We would like to present it here.
In the taking flight, backwaters, the Broadway scenes where living that dream in American style. Ayo power, look at us now. Vegas nights with a Kerala wow. From JFK to the Golden Gate, got a busy swag. Oh, life is great. Low clock ticks clear. Rise I shine, I next level gear. Mind low clarity, heart low beat. Toss mode on, English heat. Backwaters to say Broadway scenes stuck living that dream in American style. Kitne masoom, look at us now. Vegas nights with the Mumbai wow. From JFK to the Golden Gate, got a desi swag. Oh, life is great.
Been, like I said earlier, everybody just so special and just very healing, creating community with all of you around just witnessing each other's art. And I will see you in January. So if you walked in after I shared this is going to be our final performance for the first season of 10 Minutes on a Beautiful Stage. Share Everything at the Royal Room, and we're going to be resuming this second season in January. So between now and then, what are you gonna make? What are you gonna make? Go out there and just like dream about it, come up with a million ideas. We cannot wait to see when we all come back together.